Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your 9th standard mathematics chapter. The name of your chapter is circle. In the previous video lecture, we have seen the various basic concepts regarding circles such as center of a circle, radius of a circle, diameter of a circle and chord of a circle. Today we will start with the properties of a chord. Now what is meant by chord? We will revise once again. If there is a line segment which touches at the 2 points of a circle is called as chord. Now in this circle you can see AB is a chord and today we are going to learn the properties regarding the chord. Chordशी रिलेटेड असणाऱ्या प्रॉपर्टीज आपण इथे स्टडी करणार आहोत. सी फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी काय असणार आहे? That is theorem which we are going to prove. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle, the perpendicular from center of a circle, that is from center of a circle is O, the perpendicular OP is drawn on chord AB, it bisects the chord. This is the theorem. What we have to prove is this AP is a perpendicular which is drawn on a chord AB, so this OP bisects the chord AP. Okay, now given each segment AB is a chord with center O. What they have given us, that in a circle there is a center O and AB is the segment. And what we have to prove, that segment AP is congruent to segment BP. Okay, these two AP and PB or BP, you can say these two are congruent, that we have to show. Then see how we will show it. First we have to do the construction, that is draw a segment OA and segment OB. This is the construction. So we have drawn, I will write here, draw segment OA and OB. You can see two dotted lines, OA and OB here, OA and OB. We have drawn this segment. Now first triangle is OPA. In triangle OPA, angle P is of 90 degree and another triangle we are having is triangle OPB and triangle OPB. Angle OPA is congruent with angle OPB. Why this is so? So here angle P is of 90 degree. You can see angle OPA and angle OPB. In both of these triangle, या दोन्ही triangle मध्ये angle P हा 90 degrees असणार आहे. That's why we are saying these two are congruent. You can write the reason, or segment OP is perpendicular to AB. Now we can write segment OP is congruent with segment OP. OP is congruent with segment OP because if you notice, इथे या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मध्ये OP ही जी साइड आहे ही दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मध्ये कॉमन साइड असणार आहे, which is perpendicular drawn on chord AB. So segment OP is congruent with another segment OP because this is a common side. Okay, because this is a common side. Now next, if this is, then hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OA. The side opposite to 90 degrees is known as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is OA and OB. These two are the hypotenuse. Then what we can say, segment, or we will write hypotenuse OA is congruent with hypotenuse OB. Why that so? Because OA and OB are the two segments which we have drawn are the radius of a circle, and radius of a circle is same. So hypotenuse OA is congruent with OB. You can write the reason, radii of circle. Now here the angle is common, that is angle P is of 90 degree, angle P is of 90 degree. Side OP is also congruent and hypotenuse OA and OB is also congruent. We have shown this because these two are OA and OB, these two are radius of a circle. So now we can say these two triangles, that is triangle OPA and OPB, triangle OPA and OPB are congruent triangles by hypotenuse side theorem. You have already learned this theorem, hypotenuse side theorem. Now we can say segment PA is congruent with segment PB. You can write reason CSCT. Okay. These two triangles are congruent. जर हे दोन triangles congruent असतील तर obviously त्याच्या remaining sides असणार आहे, that is AP and BP. These two sides are also congruent. इथे आपण हे प्रूव्ह केलं की सपोज एक कोणताही रॅन्डम गिवन सर्कल असेल ज्याचं सेंटर O असणार आहे आणि कॉर्ड AB असेल. जर आपण OP हा परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉन केला या कॉर्ड AB वर, तर इथे जे कॉर्डचे बायसेक्ट होणार आहे जी कॉर्ड, त्यामुळे तिचे दोन पार्ट्स होणार आहेत, दॅट इज AP अँड PB. हे दोनही पार्ट्स एकमेकांना कॉन्ग्रंट असणार आहे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. द प्रॉपर्टीज आय विल रीड once again. A perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle on a chord bisects the chord. This is what we have to prove. Now we will shift to the second property. Okay. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी और वाइस वर्सा. इथे जे आपण प्रूव्ह केलं आहे त्याच्याच टोटली अपोजिट आपल्याला इथे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सी सेम डायग्राम इज हियर, अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर O whereas AB is a chord, OP is a perpendicular drawn on AB. So here you can see AP and PB are equally divided. Here we have already proved that PA and PB, these two are congruent. But if P is the midpoint, then the segment AB or chord AB is divided into two equal parts, that is AP and PB. Now see what is the given and what we have to prove. We will see. Before that I will read the statement of a theorem. The segment joining center of a circle and midpoint on its chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay. This is now what we have to prove, that this segment OP is perpendicular. That is totally opposite, inverse of this theorem. Okay. So given is P is the midpoint of a chord AB and AP is congruent to PB. Now what they have given, OP is the perpendicular and P is the midpoint of chord AB. Okay, AB is the chord and P is the midpoint, that is AB and PB are divided into two equal parts. Hence there are AP is congruent with PB. Now what we have to prove, that is OP, segment OP is perpendicular on chord AB. So how we will prove this? इथे जसा प्रूव्ह केला आहे सेम त्याच टाईपमध्ये प्रूफ असणार आहे, पण याच्या टोटली अपोजिट प्रूफ इथे आपण करणार आहोत. ओके. सो सिमिलर इथे जे कन्स्ट्रक्शन असणार आहे ते सेम असणार आहे. वी विल ड्रॉ OA अँड OB, दिस टू सेगमेंट्स, वेअरॅज OA आणि OB या दोन सेगमेंट्स असणार आहेत. हे सेगमेंट्स या सर्कलची रेडियस असणार आहे. इट इज अ रेडियाय ऑफ ए सर्कल. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट, ड्रॉ सेगमेंट. We will write the construction, draw segment OA and OB. Draw segment OA and OB. Now in triangle there are two triangles, that is OPA or OAP and OBA. In these two triangles we have to show, that is AOP and triangle BOP. Segment OA is congruent with segment OB. Why? Because it is a radius of a circle. Segment OA is congruent with segment OB. You will write the reason for it. What is the reason? Is radius of the same circle. Radii of same circle. Now next, one side of a triangle, that is OA, and another side of a next triangle OB, we have shown these two are congruent, that is in proportion. So next OP. OP is again the common side, so side OP is congruent with the side OP, because if you notice AOP and another triangle BOP, in these two triangles OP is a common side. You can write reason common side of a triangle. After that, what they have given, that AP is congruent with PB. Segment AP is congruent with segment PB. This is already given here, so we will write given. Okay, now next, so these two triangles are said to be common because see OA and OB, these two sides, then AP and PB, these two sides, and OP, that is all three sides of first triangle is congruent with the another remaining sides of a second triangle. So these two triangles are said to be congruent. So we will write triangle AOP is congruent with the another triangle BOP. Which test you will use? SS, side test. We have already learned the test for the similarity of a triangle, side test. If three sides of a triangle are congruent with the perpendicular sides of another triangle, then it is said to be, the two triangles are said to be congruent. So we have used that property. So we have shown the two triangles are congruent. Now OPA plus OPB is equal to 180 degree, that is angles in linear pair. So these two are same, so we will write 2 times angle OPB is equal to 180 degree. So we have to just find OPB. So OPB is of 90 degree. If OPB is of 90 degree, then this should be the perpendicular. That's how we have proved this theorem. These two are the properties of a chord. पहा, ज्या फर्स्ट थेरम मध्ये आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं, तर सेगमेंट AB आपल्याला ऑलरेडी दिली आहे. ओके, AB इज अ chord अँड O इज द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल. त्यानंतर आपण कन्स्ट्रक्शन काय केलं आहे, OA अँड OB, दिस टू आर सेगमेंट्स विच आय हॅव ड्रॉन, or we have drawn point OA and OB. These two are the radius of a circle. Then OP is a perpendicular on AB. हे आपल्याला ऑलरेडी गिवन आहे. ठीक आहे, तो आपल्याला प्रूव्ह हे करायचं होतं की सेगमेंट AP इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट विथ PB, आणि त्याच्यात सेम अपोजिट आपण इथे प्रूव्ह केलं आहे. इथे दे हॅव गिवन दॅट देर इज अ सर्कल विथ chord AB and we have to prove that OP is perpendicular to AB. So if it is perpendicular and P is the midpoint, so PA and PB are divided into 2 equal parts as P is a midpoint. मिडपॉइंट म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, एखाद्या सेगमेंटला जेव्हा तुम्ही मिडपॉइंट ड्रॉ करणार आहात तेव्हा ती सेगमेंट ही 2 इक्वल पार्ट्समध्ये डिवाइड होणार आहे. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट दिस यू कॅन टेक डाउन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए chord with their proofs and diagram. Otherwise you will get this theorem in your textbook also. Thank you for today.